Okay, this is the second Yowie, and it's a Ditty, and let's see what's inside of it. So this is some chocolate, and it's really cool, and they shaped it in the shape of, I think, a Yowie. It is really, I think it's milk chocolate. This, I think, is a fish that's a predator, and it has really cool like pattern, and it has really cool colors and patterns, and it's really detailed. Now let's see what it says in the description. It is a Atlantic wolffish, icy sea wolf. Coming from eastern U.S. waters, the Atlantic wolffish is important in keeping to the populations of green crab and sea urchins from being disruptive to habitats. Make natural antifreeze to keep their blood moving in their very cold habitats. They have strong wolf-like jaws that are ideal for eating sea clams, cockles, and large whelks. This species is of concern, so it might be endangered soon. And the rarity thing is an emerald crystal collectible. And it doesn't have those suckers like the leopard shark does, and you can really see its teeth. It has a really cool fin on the top of it. It has big eyes, and it has really cool colors, like a shade of white and blue, and it has two fins in the front, and it has teeth, so probably eats a lot of fish. And the dorsal fin is cool.